I be dey waka on my own o. Na so I come see one woman wey dey sell periwinkle and the thing cheap. I say okay, make I cook afang for my husband for the very first time. So these are my afang ingredients: the crayfish, dried fish, ukpeyi, kanda, pepper, and the afang leaf, also water leaf, and also my uziza leaves. Let's do the cooking. But first of all, I have to break the periwinkles, make I comot the shells now. You know as Akwa Ibom people dey do am. But these people dey try you, because to remove this thing, is at all. And as I no get cutlass, na so I carry my hammer the periwinkle. As I don hammer the periwinkle finish, na so I carry the periwinkle, I pour am inside bucket jeje, make I kukuma wash am well, because this periwinkle, the dirty wey e carry come, I no fit talk am, but I go wash am. Na so I carry salt put inside o, carry water pour inside the bucket, make I wash am. As I dey wash am, come realize say I need muscle and strength to do this washing. I was doing the washing inside my kitchen, but then with the kind dirty wey dey inside this thing, I need to go outside. See the first washing, see how dirty it is. Jesus, I need to take this thing outside so that I can do a proper washing. So when I was done, I came back to the kitchen, and this is me still having so much doubt that this thing is not yet clean. This water have to be whiter than snow so that I will know that this periwinkle is well washed. And finally, this is me. I'm done, and the water is now whiter than snow, as you can see. And look at how beautiful the periwinkle is now looking, from grass to grace. So next thing, I started to put my pepper inside mortar so that I can pound it. Pounding this pepper inside this my mortar, as I no get blender, I need muscle. That's why I use my muscle. They pound this pepper, they pound this pepper, they pound this pepper. I tire, I no pound again. I carry ukpeyi, I chuck them inside the pepper. I pound them. I don't tire, they pound the ukpeyi. I carry crayfish, I put them inside. I pound them. That's why I pound though. I don't tire. That's why I carry spoon and plate. I say make I come out this thing. No be me go kill myself. Say I dey cook. As I dey pound them, my neighbors they wonder wetin dey happen for this house. As I come out, I finish. I carry the okazi leaf. I put them inside. To pound this one, no be a joke, no be a day job. But I try, sha. As I finish, I come out and for the mortar, put them inside plate. Time to wash our okporoko. This okporoko they give me one kind bad eyes. Now so I carry hot water, pour inside. No be me kill the okporoko. Why they look me like that? As I pour the water, I carry cover them. Me closing eyes. As it don't close the eye finish, I bring an out, come wash am. As I wash the okporoko finish, I carry my kanda, chuck am inside this thing. I wash am. I wash the kanda in and out. As I don't finish the wash the kanda in and out, I cut them. Everything is now set. No see everything. I don't prepare them. I don't ready, make I come do the cooking properly. Then I have one kind stock meat. I stock meat. I don't know how they speak the English. I have a leftover meat inside my fridge. I bring them out. I come put everything, put the kanda, put the okporoko, slice onions, put salt. I carry season cube. Everybody they call them Maggi, for English say na season cube. I carry them, I put them, I turn them. I come pour water inside the pot. As I pour water finish, I turn them. I come carry and put fire. The thing come boil. As it don't boil finish, the thing gone done. As it done, I can't carry my Maggi again. Sorry, my season cube. I put them inside. I carry my crayfish, my ukpeyi, all the things why I don't pound. I carry and put inside. Carry kanda put, carry dry fish put, carry palm oil put too. Make I cover the pot. Make it boil well. As I don't cover the pot, I open them. I can see the pot they boil with so much anger, vexation for this pot. I know even send them. Now so I carry my periwinkle. I chuck them inside the pot. As I chuck them, I turn. As I turn and finish, I don't tire to turn. I cover them. As I cover and finish, my sisters, my brothers, it is time to put my water leaf. When I don't put my water leaf inside, I turn the water leaf. As they see them, they put water leaf for the first time. They go turn them. As they don't turn them, they go cover and wait small. Now so I do my own. Akwa Ibom people, I don't know whether they do this cooking well, but anyhow, forgive me, I be Igbo woman. As I cover them, I can't come back. I open the pot. I can't carry the okazi. I be the afang leaves. Anything where they call them. I carry them. I put them inside. I turn them. As I don't turn them well, I can't cover them again. Make it boil small. As it don't boil finish, I can't open them. I can't carry the last water leaf. I pour inside. This time around, I no go let them cook well. So it go cook small. As it don't cook small, the thing done. I carry uziza crayfish and another oil. I put them inside. As I don't turn and finish, my soup done ready. So as the soup they fine now, more this girl they cook. This is the soup. As I don't finish, I go turn over. Food done ready. Everybody come chop. Bye. What? I'm not sure now where my husband they chop. I'm sorry.